Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study higher math HSC step by step. Start by mapping the syllabus into weekly goals, prioritizing weak topics first, and scheduling focused 60 to 90-minute study blocks. Use past papers early to expose gaps, annotate solutions, and practice time management under exam conditions. Build consistent review cycles with spaced repetition, and track progress with a simple study log daily checkpoints. Create organized notes that highlight formulas, theorems, and key proof steps while keeping examples concise and annotated. Convert complex proofs into stepwise outlines and label each step with the reason used. Practice by redoing problems without notes, then compare solutions to find errors and misconceptions. Regularly test timed problem sets and refine exam strategies based on error patterns to steadily build speed and accuracy. Quick recommendation: if this helps, please subscribe and like to support more study tips. On another note, the product seen here makes meal prep easy and practical, perfect for quick study breaks and organized snacks. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab yours. I appreciate your support, and remember to stay consistent with short daily goals for steady improvement. Now let's get back to the video. Simulate exam conditions weekly with past papers and strict timing to build stamina and exam pacing. Review solutions deeply, mark every mistake, and create targeted practice for weak areas. Learn to allocate time per question type and practice skipping strategies for hard problems. Keep a calculator routine, memorize key identities, and rehearse clear, structured answers to reduce silly errors and boost confidence on test day. Track progress weekly with a simple score table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.